A few of you out there have requested that I make some gluten-free nuggets. And have I got the recipe for you? The best thing about these is we're going to cook them very quickly in the easy frying grill. So they're air fried nuggets. So they're not only gluten-free, but they're also a healthier option. So for the crumb, in fact, it's not a crumb at all, it's a coating. I'm going to be using a combination of rice flour, tapioca flour, and some potato flour. So the combo of these three are going to give us a lovely golden finish on it. This is a great alternative to using some breadcrumbs. Now I want to flavour this, so I have some garlic powder. So really going with that sort of southern style flavour, along with some onion powder, and I'm going to use some five spice, some Chinese five spice, which has a combination of star anise, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, Szechuan pepper. It's just a small gesture of it, so the kids will still love this, but I think it really makes these very unique. So I'll just grab a spoon and we're going to give that a really good mix to combine that coating. Okay. Now onto the chicken nuggets. Now I like to use chicken mince for this. I just think that it's a nice alternative and they're really soft. So even the little kiddies are going to love this. We need to season this, so a good pinch of salt, along with some almond meal. You can use any nut meal of your choice, some dried oregano, and a pinch of sugar. Now you want to get your hands in here and give everything a really good mince. So just like any coating station, we need to add some egg. So I've got egg here, 2 eggs that I've whisked. I haven't added anything to it. And we're going to make smallish nuggets about that size. We want to roll it into a ball, place that into our egg mixture, just so it's completely coated. Take the excess off and then into our flour mix. And you just want to gently pat that onto it and take the excess off. Then you can make these into any shape you like. You can make them into balls or little nuggets that look like patties. So there's still a little bit of that egg there. Just cover that. And that's the first one done. So I don't want them to be too perfect. You can see that they've got a little shape there. They're homemade. I want them to look homemade. Let's make a few more of these and then we can air fry them. Our nuggets are ready. I'm using some oil spray for this. You do need a little bit of oil spray so we get that beautiful golden colour. So we're just going to spray each individual nugget. And now to cook them in the easy frying grill. So I'm using the flatter side of this plate. This plate turns over, so if you wanted to do some grilling in the easy frying grill, you could also do that. So there's plenty of options. So really carefully place the nuggets into the basket area. And you can do these in batches because they take no time at all to cook. I'll spray the other side, so just very gently spraying, not too much oil. And then in it goes. So this also comes with inbuilt programs. So you can see that it's set for 200 degrees on the nugget function, and that's going to cook for about 7 to 15 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on them. Once they're golden brown and the chicken is cooked through, they're ready. Okay, the second batch of nuggets are ready, and tell you what, I am impressed with the results. See how they're perfectly plump, golden brown on all sides with minimal oil used. Now you can serve them as is, maybe with some lemon, or I'm going to serve this with very appropriate sweet and sour sauce. So we'll just pop that into a bowl. They're also fantastic with just some homemade tomato sauce. All right, I have to have a try of this. Dip that in. Let them cool slightly because they're going to be piping hot. That is the tastiest nugget. It's moist inside, it's not dry at all. That perfect crumb. This is why I love air frying, because you can make these in moments. The easy frying grill heats up quite fast, so we get that perfect crust. Very good. Enjoy.